Yes, of course. People have been given vaccines that protect us from polio, diphtheria, and many other viruses. All of these vaccines were created using tests on animals. Another example is diabetes. We discovered what caused diabetes by using dogs and discovered an enzyme that was missing. Due to that research, we can now produce a product called insulin that helps people maintain their sugar level. We've had 50 to 100 years benefit by using animal research. We do medical research to save human lives, and unfortunately, a small part of that involves the use of animals. We do make a good use of alternative testing methods, but we must resort to using animals sometimes because we cannot study a beating heart in a test tube or get a computer to cough. There are, of course, differences between humans and animals, but there are remarkable similarities. For example, we share over 90% of our genes with the mouse, and many of the major biological systems work in the same way with humans as in animals. It is a difficult ethical judgment that has to be made, but the benefits to humanity are so great that there is no questionable reason to not use this resource. There are countless medical advances that have been discovered by using animal research. Some have saved hundreds of lives, whereas some have saved hundreds of millions. Some examples of these vaccines and procedures are
The law here in Canada requires animals to be used for medical testing, not for cosmetics. The law for cosmetic companies is that they must be able to prove that their product is safe, but it does not require the use of animals. There are many alternative methods, but for many companies, animal tests are their proof. The product that they sell is not usually tested on the animal themselves, but rather the ingredients that go into that product are tested. At one time or another, every ingredient in these cosmetic products was tested on some kind of animal, and the ingredient may still be tested by another company and then sold to the company who says it's cruelty-free. There are a few laws relating to cosmetics in Canada, but none of them specify any requirements for animal testing for cosmetic purposes. Animal just for beauty, but saving lives calls for drastic measures. Some people see it differently, but I couldn't imagine not having my family around because science didn't discover a solution by using animals. And that's what they need to do. They need to use animals so that the people we love can be around longer. They can't tell us how much it hurts,
but even if they could,
would we listen?